Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can earn Discord orbs for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, we can use the orbs to purchase something from the shop. This one, if you want to go to the shop, just go to this menu, select shop, and then you're going to select the orbs exclusives. And from the Discord orbs, you can purchase the item like this pondering portal, and you can put it on your profile and the infinite swirl and also nameplate. And I'm going to show you guys how you can earn the orbs for free. You're just going to go to the Discord quest right here, and then you can watch video and also play game to claim free Discord orbs. For example, this quest will give you 200 orbs for free, and you just need to watch the video for 3 minutes, and for this one you only need to watch 39 seconds video. Oh, and yeah, just explore the quest right here and you'll get the orbs for free. And after you earn enough orbs, you're going to go to the shop, go to the orbs exclusive, and you're going to purchase it with your orbs. This is my orbs balance. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get orbs on Discord for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.